Hey y'all, I'm creek fishing again. It's a different spot than last time, still Rock Creek in Little Rock, Arkansas. Haven't been to this spot before, but it looks promising, so I'm going to give it a shot. It's my lunch break, so I'm going to set a timer for myself for 30 minutes to see if I can catch anything in 30 minutes. If you enjoy the video, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and like the video so it gets in front of other people's eyes. And let's see what I do with this time crunch. Alright, I'm going to start with a Ned-rigged VersaCraw because that did really well for me at the other spot last time. But I'm going to go black and blue this time because it's rainy, so the water is quite high and muddy. So I want to have that darker color to attract their attention there. And let's go ahead and set our timer. Oops, nope. 30 minutes. On the clock. Let's go. Oh. That was a bite. Alright, that means it's Wednesday at noon. Well, my line snapped on the VersaCraw, so let's try this Gold Mepps #2 inline spinner. Little one. All right. Well, if I don't catch anything else, I at least caught something. He's little, but he's pretty. Alright, #2 in 30 minutes. Good, not bad. 5-inch little bluegill. That's a better one. And I got my line snagged in a tree. Because of course I did. got the other end of my line snagged somewhere in the water. Okay. All right. I was hoping it was a bass, but still, it's a bigger bluegill. I'll take it. My third fish in 30 minutes. I think I'm getting close to out of time. This one's probably 7 inches long. Nice one. There's my timer. Well, I gave myself 30 minutes and I caught 3 fish. None of them great, but still. Can't beat catching 3 fish in 30 minutes on a lunch break. It could be worse. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.